What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're playing my brand new Katie's Chainsaw map in Piggy Node. The first, there's that upstairs, but it's a teleport door. Kona already had his map yesterday. I think it was yesterday. Oh, it's a bot. It's a pig, don't you dare kill me. No! 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 That's a pig! Player, and it's not me. Use it! And look at my new avatar. I have the original leg, the RB Battle Season 3 exclusive sword. Someone's trolling again. When we were oh my god, it's the Fergus. I am laggy. It is Fergus Thou Contest Skin Player Man. He's not going to get me.
This is the real one? You think that's the real one? Are you sure it's not this one? Don't change back.
Oh, that hurt my head. Mr. P is savage!
It's the fake one. It's really? Let's cut the cake. Straight out.
Go, done. And not die for the fat potato. He died, no! Oh my god, can shoot. Ah. I'm going to eat you, mouse. Who uses the mouse traps? I don't use them. I only have the big traps, the black hole, and the crawlers equipped. Those are my traps right now. Granny, do not decide to glitch or hack. Where's Pony? Pony, you met. No, Officer Doggy. No. 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 No, lag. I'm a it. Can't move. There we go. Polly, get up.
What's up, YouTube? I'm here in a really fancy bakery.
Oh, yes! Got you. Polly, jeez. No, I touched him, dude. Polly, stop killing the clones. Ah, yeah! You got cornered, mister. No, he juked me. Oh my god, so many tigeries. That tigery just ran straight into me. No, I got the clone. Dude, what is it doing? You want him? I wasted a black hole, dude. I hope they do me sleep. Sorry. Oh, you gonna die. You gonna die, because you had the winning smile. No winning smile people allowed into my maps. Hiya!
Whoever's tablet's that loud needs to turn it down.
It's Devlin.
No, I touched him, dude. Wee. I'm gonna go after him. The bot goes after that dude. He just ran into the black hole, bruh. Who does that? Nah, no! Ah, sorry. Oh, yeet! You got yeeted, dude. Oh, I see you. Yes! Did I win? No, I did not win. 6 minutes. Bruh, where's the last person? Bruh, people are joining because I have the server on. He just ran into Mr. P. Ah, stop joining! So I could get you! Oh my god. Sorry. I always do that.
Alright, thank you. You go ride one number one.
Oh, yeet! Yes. Oh no, it's infection, dude. I can't move for some reason. I don't know if you can get hit by Mr. P and get infected. I don't remember if you can. Freaking, you smell.
So that means this is the pineapple. First of all,
I'm going to juke every single piggy if it's the contest skins. Oh, I'm in trouble. 'Cause oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. Someone already got. Oh god, I got the shivers for some reason. He died even though he was infection? Okay, so no one get infected by Mr. P? Because if you get infected by Mr. P, you won't get even infected. That's a glitch that Minitoon has to fix, I think. Because how does no one die if it's infection? That was close. I almost got hit by that. Nope. No. Someone just get hit. Everyone get killed. Everyone get killed by the boo-boo. Oh no, that was a bad idea. Nope. I just wasted energy. Nope. Save me. Someone help me. I'm stuck with Coley. Oh, get shoot. Get shoot. He's like, bro, what the? That just sounded like a moan.
this is the real one, so let's cut it open just to make sure. Is this the real one?
Nope! No, I died! My butt. This is what I feel like when I die. I'm laggy. I'm coming! Yes, get. Sorry, Granny.
Looks like a pepper, like a red pepper.
I yeeted Granny out of existence. Make me traitor, Manny Toon. AFK. He don't booby. He laggy. He has bad internet. This dude has net and he got disconnected. LOL. Sorry. I have coke. That's why. And how my side hurts. Yeah. After this video, it's random episode challenge. I don't know what's trap instead. Who that just saved me? I do that. Camper! 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 Thank you, dude. No. Raising me. No. No, don't let me, please. 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 I have a party finally joined. You finally joined. It's already halfway. Bruh. What? Took so long. But what took so long? Run. What took so long? Oh, you thought you could get me? No, I'm dumb. Pony, I'm really sorry that you missed the whole video. I'm leaving now. See ya. I'm just running into. I just farted. I took this rubber out of nipple. My other tab they have random episode. Hello. What will I get? What will I get? Hannah's a toe. No, dude! Just ran into Mr. P. Mr. P camper! I can't get out. Oh, that was close. Dude, don't get killed. Oh, my butt. Use the dynamite. Is it open? Yes, I finally got an item. I do not doubt.
Which one is the fake shoe? Which one is the cake shoe? Which one is the real shoe? And which one is the cake shoe? Alright, so
13 minutes. Oh God, I need to die. See ya, guys.